During any of the simulations, we can turn off the visibility of the stock, the tool, the holder, or the target. So currently we can, let's say, hide the holder. We can also hide the tool. I will switch to the flyout menu. So this way we can see hiding of the stock. Here is also the target, and we can hide the target as well. If we are in non-solid verification mode, and let's say we show the tool, the holder, and the target, at any point in the simulation, if you want to see the updated stock for the current operation, you can do that by turning the stock on and off. Or if you prefer to just see the wireframe toolpath, you can just see the wireframe toolpath as shown.